Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to fruit shakes, recipes, benefits, and tips for perfection. Fruit shakes are not only a refreshing treat but also a simple way to pack nutrients into your day. Whether you're after health goals or just a quick snack, these versatile drinks offer something for everyone. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, fruit shakes are a favorite for fitness enthusiasts and food lovers alike. Ready to blend something tasty and healthy? Let's dive in. Nutritional benefits of fruit shakes. Fruit shakes are loaded with nutrients that support health in numerous ways. By blending fresh or frozen fruit with wholesome ingredients, you create a drink packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Rich in essential nutrients. Fruits provide essential vitamins such as vitamin C from oranges, strawberries, and kiwis, and vitamin A from mangoes and peaches. Many fruits also contain fiber, supporting digestion and a healthy gut. Promotes better digestion. Certain fruits like papaya and pineapple contain enzymes that aid in digestion. Berries, rich in fiber, help regulate bowel movements and promote gut health. Boosts immunity. Fruits like oranges and grapefruits, loaded with vitamin C, help strengthen the immune system. Adding ingredients like ginger or turmeric can enhance anti-inflammatory effects. How to make the perfect fruit shake. The perfect fruit shake requires choosing the right fruits, adding nutritional boosters, and finding the ideal texture. Choosing the right fruits. Buy fruits in season, mix flavors, and experiment with fresh and frozen options to find your favorite combinations. Adding nutritional boosters. Enhance your shake with chia seeds, protein powder, yogurt, or leafy greens for extra nutrients. Achieving the perfect texture. Use milk or yogurt for creaminess and frozen fruit for thickness. Adjust liquids as needed to reach your desired consistency. Common mistakes to avoid. Overloading with sugar. Mixing too many flavors. Ignoring ingredient ratios. Forgetting the garnish. Not checking for balance. Top recipes for fruit shakes. Classic Berry Blast. Ingredients: mixed berries, almond milk, honey, ice cubes. Blend and enjoy the antioxidant-rich shake. Tropical Paradise. Ingredients: mango, pineapple, coconut water, lime juice. Blend for a tropical, hydrating treat. Green Goodness. Ingredients: spinach, banana, avocado, green apple, almond milk. Blend for a nutrient-packed green shake. Choco Banana Delight. Ingredients: banana, cocoa powder, almond milk, almond butter. Blend for a creamy, chocolatey shake. Fruit shakes versus smoothies, what's the difference? While both are nutritious, fruit shakes are typically creamier with a milk base, while smoothies are thicker, often with added nutritious extras like protein powder, seeds, and greens. Taste and texture comparison. Fruit shakes are smoother and sweeter, while smoothies can range from refreshing to thick and filling. Which is healthier? Fruit shakes are simpler and usually lower in calories, while smoothies are more nutrient-dense due to added ingredients like greens and protein. Tips for storing and serving fruit shakes. Best storage practices. Store fruit shakes in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours or freeze for longer storage. Creative presentation ideas. Garnish with fresh fruit or edible flowers for visual appeal. On-the-go storage solutions. Use portable mason jars or insulated tumblers to keep your shakes fresh on the move. Fruit shakes offer a delicious way to boost your health. With endless combinations of fruits and add-ins, there's a shake for every occasion. Start blending today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.